Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make juicy grilled chicken kebabs. If you don't have a grill, you can make this in an oven. We'll need olive oil, fresh lemon juice, fresh oregano, fresh thyme, and garlic. You can substitute dried oregano and thyme if you don't have fresh. Just 5 ingredients for kebabs. Salt and pepper don't count. For the chicken, I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts. For the skewers, you could use wooden skewers. These are bamboo skewers, but make sure to soak them in water for at least half an hour to an hour. These skewers are 10 inches long. If you're using an indoor grill or a grill that's not that large, these wooden skewers are perfect. These steel skewers are great for larger grills. Finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons. One teaspoon of finely chopped thyme leaves. 1 tablespoon finely chopped oregano leaves. Quarter cup of fresh lemon juice from about 1½ large lemons. I'll show you how to cut up the chicken breast for skewering because the breast is uneven in size. Remove any fat. Cut in half and into chunks about 1 inch. As even as possible. If you've cut them unevenly or if they're not all the same size, it's okay. Skewer them according to size so they cook evenly. We'll marinate the chicken. To a bowl, add the olive oil, a quarter cup, garlic, chopped thyme and oregano, lemon juice, salt, and ground black pepper, a teaspoon each. Mix that up. Add the chicken, mix it up really well. Marinate the chicken for half an hour. Skewer the chicken. Leave a small gap between the pieces. You want to take any garlic pieces off because they could burn. Heat up your grill. I'm using an indoor electric grill today. It's a DeLonghi, and I'll put up a review of this grill on my other channel, Best Kitchen Reviews. Place the chicken kebabs on the hot grill and cook on high for 2 minutes. Turn them over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then lower the heat to medium and cook for less than 10 minutes, depending on your grill. Turn them over once or twice as needed. The meat should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius when cooked. You can also press the meat with your finger and it should feel firm with a little give. It shouldn't be very hard because then it's overcooked. On this grill, these skewers took less than 15 minutes total. It's juicy and perfectly cooked. This marinade is so simple, but it's so good. This is one of the juiciest chickens you're ever going to make. And it's really flavorful just from the 5 ingredients. If you want quick and easy juicy chicken skewers with just a 30-minute marination, try this recipe. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.